Welcome back to our channel Study Island. Today we are going to see exercise 20.1 from class 7 R.D. Sharma. So question number 11 I have taken. First let's read the question. A room is 9.68 meter long and 6.2 meter wide. Its floor is to be covered with rectangular tiles of size 22 cm by 10 cm. So dimension of tile is 22 cm and 10 cm. Find the total cost of the tiles at the rate of 2.50 rupees per tile. So here if you will see, here this unit is in centimeter and this is meter. So first we need to make the unit 1. Either we can make it meter or either we can convert it into centimeter. So for easiness I am converting this into centimeter. Okay. Then what we will do, suppose this is the room and the floor, this is room's floor and there are so many tiles that we always, if you have this type of question, first you need to see or first you need to find out the area of whole, if it is a rectangular field or if it's a square field, and then area of the tile to get the number of tiles that you have to find out or whatever. Okay. So first we will convert the unit because it's in a meter, so I want to convert it into the centimeter. So length of, or I can say room's length is equal to 9.68 meter. Okay. Since 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, therefore 9.68 meter will be 9.68 meter into 100. So it will give us 968 centimeter. Okay. The same way we will do it here also. Room's breadth is 6.2 meter. 6.2 meter. Since 1 meter, this is the sign of since, 2 dots above and in between down 1 dot. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, opposite 1 single and down 2 dots. So therefore 6.2 meter will be 6.2 multiplied by 100, which will give you 620 centimeter. Okay. Now we have converted the unit. Now what we will do? We'll find out the area. So area of room will be, as we know, its length into breadth. Okay. So length is 968 centimeter and breadth is 620 centimeter. So when you will multiply, you will get 600,160 centimeter square. Okay. Or you can multiply here 968 multiplied by 620, 0, 0, 0, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 6s are 12 plus 1 13, 2 9s are 18 plus 2 9s 18 plus 1 19, and last 6 8s are 48, 4 6 6 are 36 plus 4 40, 4 is carry over, 6 9s are 54 plus 4 58. So let's see, 0 6 8 plus 3 11, 1 is carry over, 9 plus 1 10, 0 0. It's same, 600,160 centimeter square. So this is how we have to multiply. Okay. Now this is the, now length or tiles length is equal to 22 centimeter and breadth is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. So area will be length into breadth, length into breadth means length is 22 multiplied by 10 means 220 centimeter. Okay. Now we know the area of room, area of one tile. So if you have to find out the number, first you will find out the number of tile. So number of tiles will be area of room divided by area of tile. Okay. So area of room is 600,160 divided by area of tile is 220. Further, when you will multiply, you will get number of tiles will be 2728. Now this is the number of tiles that will be used. Okay. Now the cost is given for one tile. So cost of one tile is equal to 2.50 rupees. So cost of 2728 tiles will be 2728 multiplied by 2.50, which will give you 6,820 rupees. This is your answer. I hope this is clear. After this, you will see the next question. Question number 13. A rectangular field is measured 290 meter by 210 meter. Means length and breadth is 290 meter and 210 meter. How long will it take for a girl to go 2 times round the field if she walks at the rate of 1.5 meter per second? So here we have to find out the time that the girl will take while she is making 2 rounds. So when it is talking about round, we will not find out the area. Here, if it's a rectangular field and length and breadth is given, so when we are taking round, we are not interacting in this area. Okay, so we will here talk about perimeter. So we will find out the perimeter. Okay, so dimension of rectangular field. Dimension means length and breadth is 290 multiplied by 210. When we are writing in dimension, we used to write in this form. Okay, this is length, maybe this is breadth. Now we have to find out the perimeter. So we know the perimeter for a rectangular field will be 2L plus B. It's not multiplication here. Always keep this thing in your mind. It's not multiplication here. It's plus. So 290 plus 210. So means it will give you 290 plus 210. It's 500 equals to 1000. It's meter. Yeah, it's meter. Okay. Now one perimeter is equal to one round is equal to perimeter. So 2 round will be 2 multiplied by 1000. Means it will be 2000 meter. Or you can say distance is 2000 meter. Now here this is given 1.5 meter per second. Means speed is given. Okay. So here speed is given. Speed is 1.5 meter per second. Okay. Distance we found. Distance is equal to 2000 meter. This is meter per second. We have to find out the time. So as we know, speed is equal to distance upon time. When I am talking about the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. So you will exchange the place of time by speed. So we can say time is equal to distance upon speed. So we will use this formula here. So time is equal to distance upon time. Distance is 2000 meter and time is 1.5 meter. Now it's in a second. Okay. If you have this is meter per second. But if I have to find out it in a meter, so I have to divide it by 60. Since 1 or I can say 60 second is equal to 1 minute. Therefore 2000 upon 1.5 second will be, here we have to divide it. So 2000 upon 1.5 multiplied by 60. 0 will be cut. Okay, so here you will get 200 and here it will be 9. If you will further divide it, so you will get 22 2 upon 9. Now how you will get? I'll show you here. 9 2s are 18. 10 minus 8 2. 20 you got. Now again 9 2s are 18. So here you will get 22 2 upon 9. Remainder will always be as a numerator and 9 will be your this part. Okay, divisor. So divisor will be here, quotient will be here, and this is remainder. So it will be minutes. I hope this is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, kindly write through your comment and kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys.